This video will be a setup, install, and review of the Coohiligh? I don't know. Anyway, waterproof solar panel with USB charging cable. Okay, so I was sent a security camera that is USB-C chargeable, rechargeable, and it's wireless, Wi-Fi, that I mounted up on my shed out there, and I'd like to get power to it because otherwise I'll have to go take it off and recharge it every 60-90 days or whatever. So as soon as I saw that I was going to be doing that review, I went ahead and purchased one of these things, and hopefully it'll help me out. So I think the one I received here is used, by the way. So I'm a little skeptical if it's going to function or not. Hopefully it will. Anyway, so I'm going to go mount this out to my shed. It comes with mounting screws, anchors, if you do it into sheetrock or something like that. There's the mounts. It even comes with an adapter. Interesting. And there's the rest of the mount, which right off the bat, that's plastic. That doesn't feel too terribly great. Okay, so it takes a 1/4 to mount it on. I have no paperwork with it, nothing. So this will be interesting. Hopefully it's USB-C cable. Yes, that's USB-C cable. Okay, so to mount it, this is on here when I got mine. Don't know if it's going to be that way or not. Take that off. This piece slides in here. That goes on like that. This goes on like that. Tighten it down. And then screw it to the wall. Alright, let's go outside and get this thing done. Okay, so just as a quick check, I just laid the solar panel down. And I'm going to plug it into my phone here. And see what happens. Look at there, it's charging.
That's it.
It's doing slow charging, but that's okay. The sun's barely out today. It's kind of cloudy out. Alright, so next I'm going to mount this thing in a strategic location. My faithful assistant.
Sorry, Quinn. You're fine.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to mount this just right above that right there. Thank you. So I'm going to use this as a bit of the rain guard for that camera too. I don't know if that's smart or not smart. Okay, then this camera has a plug right up underneath here. I think so. And it's charging. One thing I can see real quick, it'd be nice if they just had a people plugged in right here too. But I guess this is more better water pushing, right? Pray, turn yourself on. I need to turn that alarm off. You know what would work better? The zip tie. There we go. Looks like it's charging. Cool. And I can see on my app right here that it is charging, so that's good. There we go. Probably give me a zip tie and tie that up there a little better, and should be good to go. Cool. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channels. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.